Welcome back to the Happy Chicken Coop YouTube channel. Did you know that using herbs in your coop can not only make it smell nicer, but can also provide medicinal and protective benefits for your chickens? Today, we are going to look at some of the herbs that are most useful in and around your flock for their health and wellness, with the 10 best herbs for chickens and their coop. But before we begin with the list, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also learn more hacks and tips about raising a thriving flock by visiting our website at thehappychickencoop.com or subscribing to our daily email newsletter. Just click these links. Let's start off our list with lavender. There are 39 known species of this wonderful herb. Also known as nard, it is actually mentioned in the Old Testament. Lavender is a wonderful insect repellent and stress reliever. It also has some antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. I have lavender planted around my outside run to deter pests, and I cut the flowers and leaves to use in the coop. Number 2. Bee balm. As you guessed, bee balm is the favorite flower for bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies. It has a distinctive aroma and is used in Earl Grey tea to give its unique flavor. Bee balm is thought to have both antibacterial and antiseptic properties and is said to aid respiratory health and have a calming effect. However, with your girls, its main use is its aromatic properties. Just place it on the walls of the coop and make sure your hens cannot eat it. Next on our list is the Calendula. This is a pretty flower with a long healing history. The flowers of the Calendula were used as an antiseptic and anti-bleeding agent on wounds in both the American Civil War and World War I. This can be fed to your girls and will impart a lovely orange hue to egg yolks. It's also quite an easy flower to grow, which makes it a great starter flower. You can either spread it straight onto the floor for your hens to peck at or mix it with their feed. The fourth best herb for chickens is mint. While hens generally won't eat it, mint has an insect and rodent repellent properties that make it a great addition in and around the coop. Try throwing handfuls into the hen house to keep it smelling fresh. The scent mint give off is perfect for laying or broody hens as it has a calming effect on them. You can also keep some in the coop when your chickens are molting to help them cope with the stress of the transition. Just make sure you plant mint in a container as this is highly invasive. Number 5. Chamomile. This is a relatively common plant with many different varieties. The most common being Roman and German chamomile. This little plant will kill lice and mites and it repels fleas. It has antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, which are still currently being studied. Chamomile has a calming and relaxing effect. The fresh leaves and flowers contain calcium. You can plant this up around the edge of your run or just throw the cuttings into the run for your chickens to peck at. Next herb, Comfrey. Comfrey has been used in herbal medicine since the ancient Greeks. It has analgesic and antiseptic effects. It can also be used as a salve to heal wounds. When you pick the leaves, you should wear gloves since the tiny hairs on the leaves can cause irritation. Comfrey has been used with good success as a fodder for chickens and many other animals. It is high in vitamins A, B12, calcium, potassium, and protein, and can be fed as part of your flock's salad bar, mixed in with other delectables such as parsley and spinach. Another great plant for your chickens and their coop is the dandelion. Dandelions are possibly the most prolific and easy to recognize herb in the world. If you have manicured lawns, you probably hate it. Chickens, however, love the leaves and flowers. This herb is high in vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K. It also boasts iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and zinc as minerals. Truly a veritable powerhouse. It is also said to help control internal parasites in chickens. 8th on our list is the marigold. Tagetes, the common garden marigold, is an excellent insect repellent. The flower petals, when eaten by the hens, contribute to beautiful golden yolks. Marigolds are high in phosphorus and is said to be an antioxidant. I would avoid planting them directly in your hen's run because your hens will likely peck them to death. Instead, plant them around the perimeter of the run to give them a chance to grow. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic has been used as a culinary herb in medicine since 2000 BC. In fact, the Greeks and Romans loved it. It has antibacterial and antiviral properties and is also a respiratory health enhancer. What I do is add garlic to my chicken's water, about 1 crushed clove to 1 gallon of water once a week. Garlic is an immune booster for chickens. Thus, adding it to water when chickens are on the brink of a molt or recovering from brooding will help them with a speedy recovery. I like to alternate apple cider vinegar vinegar and garlic every other week in my chicken's water to give their immune system a boost. And number 10, oregano. Oregano is often touted for its antibacterial abilities, and it's no different when it comes to chickens. When my chickens are going through their yearly molt, I always have some oregano nearby to boost their immune system. As with people, some chickens will prefer one herb and not another. They too have their likes and dislikes. Remember, as a rule, aromatic herbs should always be kept out of your chicken's reach. Ideally, you don't want them to eat these. They can be hung or sprinkled throughout the coop to keep it smelling fresh. Edible herbs, on the other hand, can be mixed in with their feed or simply placed in the run for them to peck at. You can also try stuffing a suet holder with the herbs and hang it just slightly above beak height. This will keep them busy for ages. I hope you find this video helpful. For the full details, you can click this link to read the full article. Please give us a thumbs up and share this with your friends. You can also visit our website at thehappychickencoop.com or subscribe to our daily newsletter for more tips and tricks in raising a backyard flock. Thanks for watching!